Today guys, gagawa naman tayo ng isa sa paborito kong binibili sa Starbucks, which is their pink drink. Hindi na ako nasa Starbucks, so ginagawa ko na lang siya sa bahay. And ito yung aking recipe. So this is my way of doing my pink drink. So this is how I make my pink drink at home. So una, maglalagay ako ng strawberry sa baso. I'm using dried strawberry. Dried strawberry talaga yung ginagamit ko, guys. Dadagdag tayo ng ice. Maraming ice. Oops. For decoration, magdadagdag tayo ulit ng strawberry. Para maganda siya tingnan. I usually put all my ingredients in the shaker and I shake them before I pour them in the ice, but today I'm just gonna do it very easy way. And then after putting ice, magdadagdag ako ng vanilla syrup. 1 ounce lang na vanilla syrup. And then magdadagdag ako ng about 2 ounce of passion fruit tea. Mag-a-add ako ng 100 ml of coconut. Ito yung gamit ko, guys. Ako nagdagdag ng vanilla syrup kasi itong coconut na gamit ko is unsweetened. And then mag-a-add ako ng about 150 ml of white cranberry strawberry juice. 150 ml siya. Mas marami yung nilagay ko kaysa coconut kasi mas gusto ko siya taste a little bit more fruitier. I'm just gonna give it a little bit stir. Ayan guys, gawa na ang ating Starbucks pink drink. Sobrang dali lang niya gawin. Yan, konting ingredients lang, makakagawa ka na ng pink drink at home. So, tikman na natin. Ang sarap. Sobrang sarap.